Hi Mama, this is Tara, Postpartum Nurturing. Baby brain, it can get a bad rap, and oftentimes we hear ourselves or other mothers say how we have become ditzy or silly or forgetful, and we don't really give it a very good meaning. And our societal beliefs around it all, it makes us feel silly and sound silly. But it's not really understood why baby brain happens, and we need to understand the changes that happen in a brain. And actually there are physical changes that do happen for pregnancy, and it's for a bigger reason. So here's some facts anyway. There was a female scientist called Marianne Diamond, and she actually did studies on the changes of pregnancy, the changes of the brain after pregnancy on female rats. And for your information, most scientific studies are actually done on males and male rats, not even for female, outcomes. So she discovered that pregnancy itself is an actual enrichment program to the brain, and it makes this change in the brain, and also the biological triggers as well. An MRI can actually determine, it shows up the brain change if you've ever been pregnant. So how amazing is that? And also for approximately 2 years is how long a baby brain can last for. So if you think, like, oh God, I can't spell these words anymore, or oh, suddenly I can't do maths properly, it's because the baby brain causes more intuition and more guidance to your baby's cues to be more important. So there's a good reason for the baby brain. And it's also to help you have the focus on the baby and not be distracted by others, and to help bonding with your baby, bonding with your family, with your tribe, with your partner as well. So there's also things you can do. While you can't change you can't alter the changes that happen in your brain, you can do things that can sort of support you and help you. So one of those things is to boost your oxytocin, and I will go over that in another video. Also eating nourishing meals. So there's a real gut-brain connection. You probably have heard about this, and I won't go into it here in this video, but the connection with the gut and the brain, they talk to each other. So when you've got good digestion and good gut health, your brain functions a lot better, and your overall well-being is there. So, and that's what I help mamas do. After we've had our babies and we haven't been given the right care, the right foods, we haven't known what to actually do, because we haven't known of the changes that actually take place physiologically in our body. And therefore, down the track, problems start presenting themselves in things like digestive issues, bloating, reflux, gas, thinning hair. That was me. You have gallbladder issues, thyroid, autoimmune. So many problems are presenting themselves down the track with mothers, and we need to be able to educate more mums around this, and that's what I'm here for. They're bringing in the education to show you, to share with you how your body has changed and what we can do to bring it back to balance and energy. And so, that you are feeling even better possibly than you were before you had your baby. So certainly reach out to me if you want to know more. I have got an amazing 6-week plan, and we step you through. I hold your hand, guide you all the way to bring you back to that balance, to that energy, to that health. I'll pop the link in the comments for you to contact me. And also, remember, you can also download my free recipe book, which has got 6 nourishing recipes to get you started. Alright, so next time you refer to yourself as having baby brain, give it a positive spin, and know that you're not silly, you're not ditzy, you're not over emotional, you're just simply being a mama. You're tuned into your little one, and that is perfect. All right. Bye for now. This is Tara at Postpartum Nurturing.